Hello mga gwapa, mga gwapo!
So, nagbabalik si Inday
At si Nining. So, ngayon, iba ang magtuturo kami kung paano gumawa ng Easter basket since palapit na yung Easter. Yung mga tita, yung mga magagandang mga tita na may mga kids na. So, kung bala kayong i-surprise yung mga anak nyo, so, panoorin nyo lang kung ano.
we will give you some ideas kung paano. So, since ang anak ko, she's already teenager, so I decided to give her color pink. All color pink stuff.
Sa akin naman is she's only 9 years old and she loves chocolate. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nilagay ko sa basket niya.
Okay.
So, first, Inday muna.
Yes. So, for my daughter, so she got plate. Of course, if you see, there's a effect also of bunny. Then this one too. Just kind of flip over there. Then I will give her as well bunny chocolate there. Egg surprise inside. One of these two. Right there. And then she got this thing also. So like it's combination of other color, but still there's a pink one there. And then she get a mug too. So just put over there like that. Like that there. And what else I'm going to give her? She got this thing in here, small eggs, and then this. Oh, by the way, this one is not color pink, but I hope she will like it. She can put this one on her purse, on her backpack. So hopefully she will like this one. I just stick over here at the side, and then I can give her some bubbles. So since we didn't have a color pink, I can choose like green and purple. And then of course the big one, bunny. The big one, bunny. So that's it, guys, for my daughter. Hopefully she will like it, this one. And it's kind of easy and easy idea just to make her happy. Thank you, guys.
So, yung kay Daniela naman is, nung una, I was would like to use this one. But, nakita ko to sa Walmart, na-decide ako na bilan siya ng mas malaki. Para mas extremely excited para kay Daniela. So, binilan ko rin siya ng bowl para sa cereal niya. Para magagamit niya rin. And hilig din siyang uminom ng gatas. So, with matchy bowl and mug. Hilig din si Daniela sa maliliit na stuffed toys. So, binilan ko rin siya ng isang rabbit at isang yellow na chicks. So, kailan. And meron siyang maliit na white chick. Ay, wala ko white chick ba ito o rabbit? So, mahilig si Sonia sa maliliit na bagay. Then, isang Easter bunny. Chocolate. Then, Easter chocolate. Then, since spring is coming, so lagyan ko ng isang bubbles. Then, meron din siyang candy. And, sabi ko nga, may chocolate, may sa Kinder Surprise. So, marami siyang candy. So, dapat good. And okay. So hopefully Paano ni Daniela? Sagot lang. Egg pan. Meron din siyang binilang crunch siya kasi si ate niya ba na meron din. So, para meron silang dalawa. So, binilang ko rin siya ng isa ng bunny. So, okay. At saka Easter bunny niya. So, that's all. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.